Hey guys, Evil here. Hey, this video is going to cover building the latest iteration of my Axial Wraith. It includes the install of my Vanquish Products Currie RockJock axles, the Death Metal Garage stiffy kit, as well as a few other little tidbits here and there. I do apologize in advance. I shot this with a camera that I don't use very often, and there were some audio issues, so some static, and I have no idea what was going on. I probably won't be using that camera again, but anyway, you can hear what I'm saying, but it's kind of annoying in places when the static and stuff gets real bad. So, and there's some running video at the end, so if you get bored, fast forward, or don't leave. Anyway, here it is. Alright, got the ring gear installed. Throw the diff cover on here. Alright, so I got the axles all built here. I'm ready to start bolting the stiffy kit into the Wraith chassis. So I'm just using some of this nice metric hardware I got from Harley Designs. Go ahead and get this thing all bolted in here. And I'm real pleased with how that went together. Certainly lowers the ride height. I have to adjust that later. Anyway, there's the backs installed. Close to having these axles on. Couldn't be more excited about having them. I hate dealing with this thing with all these wings flapping around in the wind. It's really annoying. Alright. So next thing up is to do these front shock relocators. This is something DMG includes in the kit. Basically, it bolts right here and allows you to raise the front suspension, or not raise the suspension, but basically essentially lower the front ride height to match the rear. See if I can get that in there where you can see it. There we go. You can see that this bolts in the stock location, and it raises these shock mounting locations. You get a matching drop in the front. Works really well. Let's put some drive shafts on. One little thing here I did, I'm running the old style hardened gears that do not have the through pin design on the yoke, so I've never had a set of MIPs come loose on me, but as an extra measure I've put an extra set of set screws in the yoke, and then I just tighten it down on the backside. Just a little extra insurance. Thing's got a nice clean look, man. Pretty stoked about it. Alright, well, here's with the roof all mounted up in the hood. Gotta get my radiator in and stuff. I think I'm going to mount some wheels and tires up on it.
Oh yeah.
They're actually releasing a record, Fight or Flight. It's called Lifeline Design. It's actually a great record. I encourage everybody to go pick it up. And we have John. He's been.
Back up. No, you don't want to touch it. Stay back there. They'll get pushed back.
Try that again, but keep it kind of close.